Are your exterior walls looking in need of repair? Are noticeable cracks appearing in mortar between bricks? If so, then call Rem-Tie Ltd today. Rem-Tie Ltd are specialists in wall tie replacement and crack stitching to reinforce, replace and repair aged and corroded wall ties. We're a family-run business that prides ourselves in our unbeatable workmanship, our wealth of knowledge and experience. In our 35 years of serving the North East, we've carried out thousands of wall tie replacements to both homes and businesses and pride ourselves in our reputation. All our work comes with a 30-year guarantee, so you can be sure that when you come to us, nothing but top quality workmanship is delivered. With Rem-Tie Ltd, you don't need to worry about mess or disruption to your home or property. We carry out work quickly, effectively and neatly. To complete the job, we even use various colour dyes to ensure the best match possible to mortar and brickwork. So, for replacement of failing wall ties, quality workmanship and a finished job guaranteed for 30 years, call Rem-Tie Ltd today.